All right, today we'll be showing you how to go ahead and apply an all-purpose grease on your Monet treatment table if it's making a squeaky sound. So first, what you need to do is remove the center cover located at the bottom of the chair. You're gonna have 4 screws. You're gonna go ahead and remove it. And once you remove the screws, you're able to remove the plastic cover. You're gonna have the frame of the table. So where you need to apply the grease, it's gonna be on the rods. So here, at the top, at the left hand side, on the right hand side, at the bottom on the right, and also at the bottom on the left as well. So what you could use is a blaster max, which is basically stop the squeaks, but again, it's not a WD-40. WD-40, it will help it temporarily, but it's gonna dry out. So you either use the Blaster Multi-Max, which is the sprayer. I would recommend this over grease, because the grease cannot get to the smaller tight areas, which this one does. So you just spray it on the actual rod itself, and just try a couple of times, adjusting the height up and down, like 4 to 5 times, so all the metals will get lubricated and you're all set. Thank you.